Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be helping you learn about Apple's powerful email app simply called Mail. Before we get started, let's quickly define what exactly email is. An email is a message distributed by electronic means, just like sending a letter, but electronically. And instead of sending to a physical address, we send to an email address. Here's how it works. You first start by creating a new email message in Mail, adding in who you want to send it to, a subject, type your message, and then hit send. Then that email goes to the cloud and is ready for the recipient to read when they check their email. Many email clients such as Mail will check for email automatically, notifying the user that they have a new email. They read the email and can reply back. It's that simple. But there are many more things you can do with email, and we'll introduce them to you in this course. In this course, we'll be covering what an email address is, how to set one up, adding your email to Apple Mail, then how to read and send mail from Apple Mail, and then how to communicate even faster using the app Messages. It's all coming up in this course called Communicating with Mail and Messages.